Hello, this is a quick unboxing of the Philips Power Flosser 3000. It's an oral irrigator from Philips that's relatively new and pretty different from the other flossers Philips made. So let's take a look what's in the package. A card with an extra 1 year of warranty if you go to an address, some paperwork, a quick guide on how to use this device, a manual in several languages, actually a lot of languages, what seems to be a travel pouch made from a rubbery material that's very nice to the touch. Okay, we have the two tips, the regular irrigator tip and the new cross-shape tip that Philips claims to remove 99% of plaque. They call it quad stream. I'll have to test it and see how it performs. A charging cable via USB-C and a charging brick. Very nice to see that in the package. Some companies don't include that. And this is probably the irrigator body. Very nice, black shape and color. Seems pretty high quality. This is the charging port, I guess. Okay. And it has a power button, what seems to be an intensity tweaking button, and two cleaning modes, clean and deep clean. Okay, yep, there is level 1, level 2 and level 3. The adjustments of the nozzle pressure, the fluid pressure, and you can select clean or deep clean, each one with 3 levels of intensity. It has a quite large reservoir. I think it's 300 milliliters, and can be opened and filled with fluid via this, or I think you can twist and open it. Yes. This is very nice because you can actually clean this very well. Other irrigators had this opening here very narrow, and it was very difficult to properly clean the reservoir. I think you can dishwash it. We'll have to check the manual to see if it's possible, but you can definitely wash it very well. Okay, we'll make a quick video on how to use this device to clean your teeth. First impressions, it's a pretty high quality oral irrigator with a decent price. Oh, and Philips does not pay me for reviewing this unit. I bought this unit for myself, and I'll see how it goes.